We had an unusual emergency call in Grand Forks on this Friday afternoon. A report of someone intentionally coughing on people at a local grocery store. Here's the 911 dispatch as it came in just before 3 p.m.
Alter Station 3, Alter Station 3, Hugo's 1315 South Columbia. High alert, male trying to cough on others, told his mother. There's more in the disposition. A tall male, mid-30s, going into Hugo's and coughing all over inside.
Well, I just talked with Sergeant Jay Middleton of the Grand Forks Police Department, who says it didn't happen. He didn't cough on anyone. Sergeant Middleton says what happened was the man was threatening to cough on people if his mother didn't buy him some beer. Sergeant Middleton said the man is not infected with COVID or anything like that, and no one was coughed on. No charges. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.